Struggling with cost analysis on the SSA exam? Let's simplify it. We're about to break down question 4 from the study guide, showing you how to navigate through the numbers with ease. Hey there, future analysts and state employees. It's SOQ Rick here to help you get ahead quick with another SSA exam guide question. Today, we're zooming into question 4, a practical scenario that tests your analytical skills, crucial for various positions within the state. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Understanding cost analysis is essential, not just for staff services analysts, but also for research data analysts, management positions, and more throughout the state. These skills help you make informed decisions that can save resources and optimize operations. We're focusing on the Southwest region's cost analysis from the SSA Exam Study guide. The scenario has changed with 5 employees resigning, and we need to find out the new total cost for their customer service training. Let's break it down. Originally, the Southwest region had 42 employees. With the resignation of 5 employees, we're now down to 37. To find the new total cost, we'll calculate the variable costs first, which includes the salary and training materials per employee. We do this by multiplying 37, the new number of employees, by the sum of the salary cost per employee, $26.25, and the training materials cost per employee, $9.75. After calculating the variable costs, we add the fixed costs, which are the training facility cost at $850 and the trainer's fee at $550. These costs remain unchanged regardless of employee count. So our calculation is 37 employees times the sum of $26.25 for salary and $9.75 for training materials, plus $850 for the facility, plus $550 for the trainer's fee. And when we do the math, we find that the new total cost for the customer service training in the Southwest region is $2,732. This kind of problem solving is what makes the role of an analyst exciting. You get to play detective with numbers, uncovering the story they tell to make strategic decisions. Did you get the same answer? If you did, great job. If not, don't worry. Practice makes perfect. Keep working through these problems, and you'll be acing the SSA exam in no time. For more tips, tricks, and walkthroughs, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Drop a comment if you have questions or share your own problem-solving tips. Let's ace this exam together.